I have a great recipe for winter. We are going to make a dish that is with celeries and quince and with olive oil. First off, I'm going to start with sauteing the shallots and some carrots. The celery root and the quince has been waiting in some lemony water, and now I'm going to get rid of the water. I'm going to add this to my pan here. And I'm going to saute these for about 2 minutes. Some orange zest, also the juice of half an orange and half a lemon. Adding some salt, a cup of water. Once the water starts to boil, I'm going to put the heat on low, cover it up with a lid, and I'm going to cook this slowly. The celery has cooked and I've waited for it to cool down for about 2 hours. Now I'm going to transfer it to my plate here and put some dill on it. So this is a very traditional Turkish way of cooking vegetables, and you can apply the same technique with almost every vegetable. Don't forget to leave your comments. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.